What are you fucking doing, you? Yo, are you blind, bro? There's fucking triangles right there, dude. What the hell's wrong with this guy? Move over, bro. What are you doing? You gotta look, man. Yo, you got space, go, but you got the triangles there. You gotta look, man. You work for the city of Miami, dude. What are you doing? What the hell's wrong with you? Hey guys, good morning. Today's Monday, June 21st. And I'm unloading again in the middle of the roadway like always. So I'm gonna strap on this GoPro. I'm gonna go in the back there, put the triangles and get to work. All right, so there you go, guys. We got the triangles. We got the vest on. We're looking good. We got the hazards on. And I'm not right in the middle of the lane. I'm kind of off-centered. So it gives people a chance to scooch over if, you know, if they need to. So this van is an INOP, or else I would have parked somewhere else. So right now I had no choice but to park here. And what are you fucking doing, you? Yo, are you blind, bro? There's fucking triangles right there, dude. What the hell's wrong with this guy? Move over, bro. What are you doing? You gotta look, man. Yo, you got space, go, but you got the triangles there. You gotta look, man. You work for the city of Miami, dude. What are you doing? What the hell's wrong with you? That's a Miami. Hey! Good job.
Thanks.
No problem.
Uy, no me la dejen sola, no me la dejen sola.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Go, 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 go. All right, go, go.
¿Viste todo lo que estaba haciendo? Sí. Claro. Tengo que frenarte hasta adelante.
Todo loco.
Es un peligro.
Todo el mundo loco. That's why you gotta have the cameraman. These people are crazy out here. Guys, I don't know if you've seen that. I don't know if the camera caught it good enough. But first, the city employee, a truck driver city employee driving a big rig, class B, he ended up running over my triangle, which was clearly visible. There was 3 of them, spaced out properly, clearly visible, and he just ran over, and he runs over the triangle, which made 0 sense, no sense at all. And then that other little food truck, it was a step van. You know, he's coming a little quick, his brakes probably suck or whatever, and he couldn't stop fast enough, had a slam on his brake or whatever, and I don't know. It's always crazy out here, man. Shit's nuts. Nah, I have no cash on me. No, that's the, it's missing the rest of the money though. If you look in there, it's gonna be.
What is the rest of the money?
It should be on the invoice there. Because there was storage on the car and there was the extra INOP fee.
The other 150 for what?
Because the vehicle was inoperable. So before I picked it up, I told him and he agreed to it.
No, but only on the, this is 1,500. This is not operable. The insurance is putting the car operable.
No. I talked to your son. He agreed to it.
Yeah, pero the car is putting in the.
No.
Hold on.
Yeah, he agreed to it.
I called for the insurance. The car is putting in the truck.
Yeah.
Porque tiene otra factura aquí de 376. Pero de aquí hubo 2 días que fueron tarde por ellos, que se pagó de storage, porque él dijeron un día y después fueron 2 días. Okay. Y esto yo llamé a la subasta y dijeron que el carro se lo subieron a él, que él no tuvo que hacer nada, se lo pusieron con el forklift arriba de la grúa. Que él no tuvo que cargar el carro ni hacer nada, la subasta se lo subió porque yo llamé cuando tú me dijiste eso. Okay,
so she has a concern regarding the $150 charge. Because when you had told us, well, you had talked to me initially, and you had told me about the fee because it was inoperable.
Yep.
You had to load it at the auction. She called the auction to see how was it loaded. They told her it was loaded through a forklift.
No, that's not what I told you though. What I told you is that they can't load it all the way on the top of the tongue because of the angling. So they had to load it like 4 feet back, and I had to use the winch to pull it all the way up. But yeah.
I'm sorry.
So yeah, with like every vehicle that's INOP that goes on my trailer, I charge an INOP fee because there's always headaches involved. Like, you know, with unloading, it's more dangerous.
Right.
And like over there, I had.
Fueron 2 días por culpa de ellos. Que yo le voy a pagar los 150, pero que de store fueron 2 días.
Realmente un día, porque te dijo que
un día, ajá, que un día fue por culpa de ellos.
She's asking in regards to the storage fee.
Yep.
Remember the day we coordinated and I assigned you the truck? You told me you were gonna pick it up the following day.
Yeah, I was 1 day late. Yep.
Yeah, you were 1 day late.
Yeah, if you guys want to take the storage, that's fine. That's fair. Yeah, I'm fair, man. So.
Okay, entonces.
Thank you. Yeah, somebody else ran that over too. Look at this. Look at that. The second I take out that triangle, it gets 10 times worse. crazy, huh? So Miami City employee, class B driver, almost you know, causes an accident or whatever happened there, not paying attention, and then somebody else hit the triangle later because my triangle was broken after I came back, after I went inside to get paid. The customer didn't want to pay the $150 INOP fee, which on the phone when I called him, I told him, hey, it's a $150 INOP fee because there's headaches involved. That's my fee. I didn't get hired to pick up an INOP. So you're not giving me a choice now. If I cancel, I lose money. It's Friday afternoon. What am I gonna do? I have to charge this fee. There's no way around it. So he agreed, and when I got here, he's trying to play games. Well, they loaded you up. Doesn't matter. It's an INOP fee because to unload it was a headache. Look how I'm unloading, you know. If this car ran and drove, I would have unloaded this somewhere else. So anyways, that's how it is, guys. Like always, like, share, subscribe. A lot of my followers on Instagram watch my videos. They tell me they watch it, but they don't comment on my videos. Guys, if you guys comment on the video, you know, YouTube puts out the video to other people. They promote it, you know, to other people. It's their whole, you know, algorithm, how they work it. So guys, help me out. You guys follow me, you guys talk to me every day on Instagram, and you guys, if you guys don't watch YouTube, I understand, but you guys tell me that you watch YouTube. So, you know, be a friend, help out your local businesses, help out your buddy here, your friend that's, you know, putting out this content on YouTube here. So anyways, guys, there it is. Comment, you know, what you guys think about everything that just happened here, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm driving up to Boston right now. Well, I'm gonna load up 2 more vehicles. I'm gonna go drive up to Boston, deliver, and there's a party in Boston that my wife wants to go to on Friday. It's a Brazilian party, so I'm hoping that I make it up there by Thursday. Maybe I'll do a quick run in Boston, like New England, and then we're gonna go party on Friday, guys. So if anybody's up in Boston on Friday, you guys want to party, well, this video is gonna be posted after Friday most likely, because yeah, I have to load it up on my laptop, whatever. So all right, guys, see you guys later. Until next time, peace.